Welcome to Be Cool Nature YouTube channel and wish you a good day to all. Thanks for watching us to get knowledge about Sri Lankan nature.
In last video, we discussed about the plant and tree. By this video, we supposed to talk about ocean plant, which I spreading word around. In this video, we talk about only one type of ocean plant called kelp. There are thousands of different types of plants found in the ocean, and all of them are affected by the amount of available sunlight, salinity level, and the temperature of the water. We rarely talk about the ocean plants, but you must know about 70% of world covered by water, and they carried ocean plant. Our ocean plants can be divided into the two basic categories: those that float freely through the water and those that are directly rooted into the ocean floor. Floating plants can be seen near the surface of the water. The rooted plants need to obtain sunlight to survive, so they are often found in the shallow water near the shore. Beyond this, ocean plants can be identified as four common types. Those are kelp, red algae, seagrass, and sargassum. Let's discuss the four common types of floating and rooted plants that live in the ocean. The kelp. First type is kelp. Do you know what the kelp is? Basically, kelp is the largest and fastest growing marine algae or seaweed and belong to the brown algae group known as Phaeophyta. Like forests on land, kelp forests are vital habitats for thousands of unique species. Their rapid growth and condensation of carbon dioxide into energy is a vital source of food for animals like abalone and urchins. Several kelp species have a wide distribution. Most kelp grows in large groups known as kelp forest. Kelp forests are typically found in temperate and polar coastal regions with good water clarity and abundant nutrients. The most kelp forests have been found on the coast on South Africa, the US West Coast, Argentina, Chile, and several northern European coasts. Kelp forests provide a food source and become a good hiding place to many varieties of species such as fish, sea cucumbers, crayfish, filter feeders, and limpets. The slimy mucus on kelp is rich in organic compounds that supports to the growth of bacteria and helps to form the building blocks of the food chain within the kelp forest ecosystem. The basic parts of the kelp are the stipe, blade, air bladder, and the holdfast. Since the giant kelp is not a plant, it does not have roots. Kelp does not use roots to extract nutrients from the soil. Kelp can extract the needed nutrients directly from the water around it and attach to the rocky bottom by a structure known as holdfast, like roots of plant. Stipe is similar to the stem of the plant and it carries the gas bladders and blades. This species is one of the fastest growing species in the world, and under ideal conditions, it can reach length of 175 feet and generally it grows up to 100 feet. Within a single day, it may be grow up to 2 feet. However, the giant kelp harvests the sun's energy through photosynthesis like plant, but does not feed on other organisms. For that, it uses their blades like leaf of plant. Once the individual giant kelp reaches the sea surface, it continues to grow horizontally, floating in large mats that shade the water column and sea floor below. In order to remain upright, each giant kelp blade includes a balloon-like structure filled with gases and floats. Therefore, it is called gas bladder. Front is the part of the algae above the holdfast. You know that the kelp is widely spread in South African coast. So, let's look into that kelp in briefly. The kelp, which is living in the South African coast, have many species such as sea bamboo, bladder kelp, split pan kelp, and spine kelp. Sea bamboo. Sea bamboo is the most common and largest species of South Africa. It grows up to 12 meters tall, and its type is hollow and full of gas to help it float. Thick, stripe-like fronds that grow from the bulb near the surface. Bladder kelp. Bladder kelps are the delicate kelps that can reach a maximum length of 12 meters, and fronds are rippled with spine in the edge. The base of each frond has a small gas-filled bladder to help it float. Split fan kelp. Split fan kelp is the most common South African kelp species, but prefer to deeper water. Its type is stiff and solid, growing up to 5 meters, and its type ends in the single large fan-shaded frond. The frond is so long that it can hang down and touch the ground. Spine kelp. Spine kelp is the smallest species of South African kelp, rarely growing over 1 meter tall, and its type is short and solid, with no gas pockets. Its fronds are oddly shaped and covered in spines. It is the only South African kelp not found on the west coast. Kelp forest is beautiful to see, but other than the beauty, it gives many benefits to the nature. Kelp is the keystone organism, which means its role in the ecosystem is so vital that without it, the ecosystem would collapse. Kelp forests are the most productive ecosystem in the world. Kelp purifies water and removes waste products produced by the animals living within the forest. Underwater forests provide shelter, food, and the ideal habitat for various species. Commercially, kelp is used in a wide variety of products, from salad dressing, cosmetic food, vitamin supplements, skincare products, paint, etc. So, we must protect the kelp forest from the threat to see the better and healthy world.
So, thank you for watching us, and we hope you could get basic knowledge. Further details we'll share with upcoming videos, and please subscribe our channel. Good day.